Hey guys, this is Josh of Basic Value, and for today we are going to be talking about Scratch. Now, for this tutorial, I'm immediately going to go down to their dashboard because I'm going to be teaching you how to create a perfect circle in Scratch. So right now we are here on their dashboard, and we are going to be moving to this one right here because we are going to be, drawing a perfect circle. So you want to click on costumes, then let's just delete this. And then you want to click on in here, delete this one if this image is still there. So in creating a perfect circle, just simply click on this circle tool. And then if you draw if you draw this circle immediately, it's not going to be perfect because it would be oblong or it could be somewhat like this or like this. So in order to draw a perfect circle, you need to press shift and then drag the mouse. So it's not going to be oblong wherever you drag it. So that's how you draw a perfect circle in Scratch. And if you want more tips in using Scratch, follow our channel, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. This is Josh of Basic Value. I'm going to see you on the next one.